First game assessment with Blackwater kontra SMB. Game plan ng bossing is make Junmar work on defense. Yung point of attack nila is gusto nilang mabigay kay Apsho yung bola, and good things happen kapag nasa kanya talaga. Either ibibigay niya sa cutters or siya mismo yung titikada sa labas. Kahit nga dito, dalhin mo lang si Junmar out of the paint is may chance ka to score. Tas sa latter part ng opening frame, umambag pa yung bench sa running game. In the second quarter, na-maintain pa rin ng Blackwater yung kanilang lamang with Apsho being a point center of the team dahil wala nga si Duff. Tapos, nagdi-deliver si Bearfield ng kanyang mga shot making. Tsaka, sa wakas, pumutok rin si Christian David na matagal na nating inaantay kung kailan ba talaga para magkaroon ng much needed help si Bearfield at Apsho. Sa third quarter, this is for SMB. Nangyari kasi is Junmar is now moving, hindi siya yung nakatunganga lang sa post area, nagkakat na siya. He is also running on the break kasi syempre mas mabilis pa rin siya kay Apsho. Tapos Marshall Lassiter hitting big time shots. Then yun nga, Junmar is now moving without the ball kaya nakabalik sila sa larong to. Tas namamaximize din yung mismatch kay Boatwright and we have a close one. Sa endgame, it was SMB building momentum. Boatwright hitting 4-point shot. Pero again, Christian David is buhay na. 3-point shot para sa Blackwater. Kahit nung nagkaroon ng back and forth action, yung drive niya yung parang change of gear ng laban. Tapos si Cedric Bearfield na yung tatapos with his deadly drives and clutch outside shooting. Tsaka yung effort ng SMB sa final minutes is, nag-aantay lang sila ng bola, samantalang yung Blackwater is fighting for it. Maybe because of fatigue factor, naging babad system sila ngayon, which, alam ko nagbago na yung SMB eh. Pero ito, another lesson for them na they are better when the bench is also playing. Sa second game, hot start para sa TNT. Calvin Oftana making his presence felt. Pero napansin nyo yung Converge, hindi na nagsabay ng 3 guard kasi kaya nga kinuha si Policarpio to fill the small forward position ganun na yung ginawa nila ngayon. One in Stockton sa backcourt kasi maganda naman yung combo nila last conference. And good idea to put Mikey Williams bilang 6-man role kasi after ng big lead ng TNT, mga creation ni Bol Bol, yung unit ni Mikey yung nakahabol para dikit lang. Sa second quarter, para to sa Converge, though I still don't like the way kung paano sila umiscore, pero pumapasok kasi kanya-kanya pa rin, and ayun, nabubutasan yung individual defense ng TNT. Pero pag si Mikey Williams na yung may hawak, iikot talaga yung bola. Once na merong nag-collapse sa kanya, veteran style of play na yung ginagawa niya and okay lang yun. I think ganyan yung perfect role para sa kanya. Wag nating isipin yung TNT Mikey, hindi na ata babalik yun. At least they are playing well right now. Sa final quarter, Converge is playing to maintain the lead and ito yung defensive problem ng TNT. Lahat sila tumalikod and walang paint protection kaya one decided to go all the way and won. In fairness, dito meron silang niraran na action. One said na DOS with PNR with Stockton and Arana sa wing. And ito si Justin, hindi takot kay Bol Bol. He made him work tonight. Tsaka yung mga isolation ni Stockton is pumapasok. Usually sasabihin natin bad shot. Pero kasi medyo balanced tonight. Lalo pag sabay sila ni Arana kasi binibigyan niya talaga. And may chemistry yung dalawa. Tsaka pag si Arana talaga yung nasa loob, mas fluid yung tinatakbo nila kasi magaling siya mag-read ng defense eh. Here sa crunch time, playing with one, tas nakakuha siya ng foul para makip ng Converge yung lead. Then after ng mintes ni Mikey, napunta sa kanya yung bola with Bol Bol na nakakover. Walang takot, 2 points, panalo ang Converge 97-92. Arana has 21 points and 10 rebounds sa loob lang ng 22 minutes. Though I like na ganito lang yung minutes distribution nila kasi pag endgame, more energy unlike for TNT. Dalawang players played 42 minutes. Tsaka ayun, 20 assists sila. They are improving with their teamwork. Nakailang talo na eh. They need to realize that. Tsaka yung open court is okay. Yun yung sinasabi natin eh. Kahit walang sets palagi, basta fluid yung off-ball movement, may ball movement, they are dangerous because of the talent they have.